For a double crochet stitch, which if you're using US terms is going to be called a single crochet stitch, I'm starting with the chain, so I'm going to need to insert my hook into the middle of one of these stitches. So not this stitch that the yarn's coming out of, but the one next to it, so this one. I'm going to insert my hook into the centre of it. And then I just need to tension my yarn. So bring your yarn across your hook from right to left, and then bring it through the first loop. Bring your yarn across from right to left again, and this time bring it through both loops. And that's one double crochet stitch. So again, going into the next stitch on the chain. Bring your yarn over from right to left, through just one loop, right to left again, and through both loops.